Hello everyone, this is Bhanu, co-founder of Team Geeks. Please do visit us at cbsgeeks.org. And coming to this present second tutorial part, we have successfully completed our first part, creating and deploying a web service in NetBeans. We did it great. So now coming to the next part, how can we deploy a particular web service in a different platform? So let us have our web service in a Java web platform. So how can we make a web service that consume another client like Java Servlet JSP? So now let us move to the next part, consuming a web service in a Java client machine. So let us go to the NetBeans environment and see this is our web service which we created already. So let us deploy it again and test it. Deploy, right click on deploy. It's deploying. The server is starting again, so it takes a couple of minutes maybe. So after deploying, we just test our web service and then we will create other Java project in NetBeans. We will call that particular web service in a Java client and let us see how can we do that. So it's very much similar to calling a function. It's user defined functions. We already go through our Java C programming. We habituated. We usually declare a function and then whenever we want we used to call it simply by passing parameters. The web service are also as same as it is, but in a deeper way. The services are already stored in on the server. We are going to search it. So it's successfully deployed. Yes, hope it's deployed. So now test a web service. We'll have a web services project. It's our services edition. So open and test web service. Yes, we are done. So we are on the local port 8080. Now let us give two parameters. Let it be 56 and hit enter. Yeah, the output is 88 and SOAP request and SOAP response. Now successfully our web service is deploying. So now let us create other client machine. So go to project. Yeah, now take it as Java application. So let our client machine is on the Java platform. Call it as web Java edition client. Name it as you want. I just make it for my reference. So yeah, this is the basic Java class. We already know that. Now next point is we are calling one particular service from a client machine. So what we prefer in this particular project is we have to create a web service client. Right click on the project, go to new and select web service client. What we done before is we choose web service. So now web service client, hit on it. So here it is project. Go to browse and our web service name is web service demo edition, right? Yeah, here it is. Going, yeah, sorry, it's my edition. Hit OK and click finish. See, observe here the web service reference has generated automatically. See, once it was done, yeah, it's parsing digital files. Yes, it's built successfully. Now go to web services part, take my edition, and here is our particular function. Now drag this before the after the main string in a Java class. Drag over here. Yes, see, this is the function which is automatically generated with our web service. Now going to the main function and call that particular service, like have an integers int I is equal to 34 and int j is equal to 56, whatever it may be, and let us declare result is equal to, what is the function name here is addition, right? So now we should call this particular service with this function name addition and passing the parameters we declare I and j. So you can also declare that particular values by taking scanner class even. You can declare dynamically. So now print it. If it is Java class, we prefer system.out.println. If it is JSP, we prefer out.println. Out.println. Addition of two now. Call plus result. Save it. Now let us run it. Right click on it. A screen and bold. Yes, it's built successful. Now run it. Run. Yes, we got it. See here, addition of two numbers is 90. As it is Java, we get the output in the console part, or if it is a web application, we get the output on the browser. So now, yes, we're done with web service, which we call from a Java client machine. This is the way how can we call a web service in an admin environment from a other project, like other service, from a client. Yes, hope you guys learned something. And now let us move to our next part. How can we consume a web service on a client machine? Thanks. Please do visit us at cbsgeeks.org and bhanugates.com for more technical parts. Let us see you there at servlet part. Thank you.